And we're back to learning Inkscape in a year, day 34. Let me give you an example that includes a diamond shape, a simple flag from a German state. To do it, we'll use the polygon tool, make it 3 corners. While you drag it, hold Control. Once you've got it, it needs to be selected. Press Ctrl C to copy, or right click, copy, and then paste, which is Ctrl V or right click paste. You can see mine snaps, and that's because the snapping is enabled. There's still a thin line in the middle. Select them both, and we haven't yet talked about the path functions. So just believe me with this one. You can use it to connect shapes. It's called union. We're going to go over that in detail in a future video. So make sure both shapes are selected. Go to path union, and then this middle line is gone. When we resize the diamonds, hold Control. Once we've got it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V to copy, and then I reselect the pair, do it again. Then I reselect the group, do it again. And this allows me to create lots of diamonds in a short amount of time. And the snapping allows me to connect them. And that's basically it for the flag. In this case, we have the canvas, which is white, and that should be for the flag that I want to create here. But maybe you want to use that on a different background, so it's a good idea to create a rectangle on top. Let me give that a red color for now so that we can see it. And when it's selected, use one of the top functions right here. You should see this one for moving to bottom, and then it should be behind all of these diamonds. You want to make it as big as the diamonds, and once again the snapping should help. And once you've got that, let me recolor the diamonds. And it's actually better to recolor them before you resize your rectangle. Let me show you why, because now it's fairly hard to select the rectangle, as I've already made it white. And to recolor my diamonds, right here I have to select everything. I want to have kind of like turquoise, light blue, something like that. And now I have to guess where the rectangle is, but I should easily find it at the top right. There I have it, and I make it white again. So once more, it's better to resize that only after you've recolored the diamonds. My bad, I should have shown that up front. But this is how you can create this flag. It's actually a version of the flag of the state Bavaria in Germany. I think it's a good example to practice creating these diamonds, and it gives you generally some more practice with Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.